Hello everyone, welcome back here to the Osium channel. Today I would like to talk about the leadership of the future. And I believe, as the title is indicating, that we need to re-engineer leadership. Leaders today are conscious of the fact that they need to broaden their leadership behavior away from a pure command and control ways of working and moving into a more coaching, a more facilitation, a more supportive and constructive, challenging mode, and that they need to create a work environment where people can bring themselves fully in. I believe that leaders are embracing that requirement, and they are aware of the fact that this is crucially required if we want actually to make our organizations more efficient, if we really want to flatten the organization, if we want to have self-empowered, self-organized and self-managed teams, then that change is necessary. But simultaneously, leaders find it actually quite difficult to implement that change in our organizations today. And I think we need to reflect on that question and understand why that is difficult today. And I believe that it is related to the fact that we need to reduce the power that leaders have today in our organizations. And that is what I call re-engineering leadership. It goes beyond changing the leadership behavior. We actually need to change the environment that leaders operate in. And I think that there are two facets of that. There are the formal aspects and the informal aspects. Let me outline those here quickly. The formal aspects are related to the job descriptions, to the delegations of authorities, but also to the way processes are defined. For example, in the RACI mode, it is related also to governance and the role leaders play in governance bodies, and so on. All of those formal aspects, I think, need to be reviewed. We need to check how we can actually reduce the power that is today very much centralized in the hands of a few and actually bring that down into the organization. That needs to be done through a systematic approach. And I believe that if we re-engineer this, then actually leaders will find it much easier to operate in a different mode. And then, of course, there are the informal aspects. There is the way for example, leaders operate in team meetings. There is the way leaders behave when it comes to decision making. Recently, I heard about a situation where a leader actually responded for more than an hour to questions from senior management, and then the team was silent in the back. That, of course, is indicative of the power that this leader was considering to have and to actually keep. So we need to consciously show to the organizations that desire to actually bring the power down. And then, of course, we will achieve the empowerment of the teams that I think leaders today aspire to and that we want to define in terms of our future leadership. I hope that that can help people think about how to change. I hope you have found this video useful, and I hope to see you soon here on the Osium channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can of course like, comment or share this video. À bientôt. See you soon.